Hi there. So I'm going to show you another great product which you can promote using Microsoft Bing ads, and it got a pretty good keywords that you can use in order to get traffic. So let's go ahead to affiliate marketplace here in ClickBank, and if you type this product called Slim Crystal, and if we take a look, so as you can see, it has got a pretty good gravity score of 80.18, and it pays 103 per conversion. Okay, so if we go to affiliate terms, so let's go ahead to see what type of promotion we can do. As you can see here, the traffic restriction, it is clearly mentioned that there's no brand bidding. You cannot do the brand bidding approach on this um, product, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to show you a good keyword that you can use in order to make sales in this product. So if we go ahead and check the sales page of this product, so as you can see, it's got a pretty good sales page. What the product usually is it has a crystal, and when you put the water here, the crystal gets infused into the water. And from the theory of this product, based on their claims, that it helps you to lose weight healthy in a healthy way. So they may have some certain substance or whatever they have inside the crystal of their product that could help you lose weight. That's what they claim about this. And as you can see in the marketplace, it's pretty selling. So it's selling good amount of gravity per month. So as you can see, around 80 affiliates have made sale in the past 30 days using this product. Okay, and it's got pretty good information here which we can put into our landing page. So before you can promote this, because you cannot just directly promote this sales page, otherwise you won't get any commission, we will need to do a bridging or a landing page. And we can use the pagepro.com, which I always discuss here on the channel, because it's pretty easy to create a landing page using the pagepro.com. The link is in the description below. And if we log into our free account, and as you can see, these are all the landing pages I've been using to promote products on from ClickBank, okay, using Microsoft Bing ads or Google ads or whatever advertising network you are familiar. Okay, so let's take a look at one example. If we take a look, this dentist be dumped, so we click the landing page. So this is how simple the landing page will look like. Okay, and it's very easy to make. It's less than 5 minutes. You can create this simple but effective landing page. All you need to do is put the basic information around here on the landing page and some product image which you can use, and a small article and the picture on the article, and then write a simple paragraph over the article, which you can all get from their landing page. So for example, you want to write a simple article, so take this photo, save this, grab this paragraph, and then paste it in the if you click on edit. So here I'm editing, but if you're going to create a new landing page, so make sure you create a new one. So click this create. Okay, so for this one, as you can see, the title is it's pretty straightforward. So all the information are, you know, intuitive here, so you can easily just come in here and then landing page title. So it's very obvious. You put your title of the product here, and the path name will be the pagepro.com / your username, and then the path name. Okay, so that it looks good when you paste it on the your campaign using Microsoft Bing ads or, you know, Google ads. And then very important, your hap link, and then the main color of your the buttons, and of course here this is the color of your button, and some highlighted text over here, and the top bar section here. So that's the so that's how we determine the color. So it's set up here, and you can leave some of them blank. And of course, this is the label on our button. And here, as you can see, this is the top bar section, some catchy phrase that you can put, like for example, 90% discount today, to be able to attract more sales. And here a good heading, which you can always grab from here. So you can take this and make it as your, you know, as your bullet section. And then of course the image. So image, very easy. You just need to upload the image here in the manage images. So here, once it gets uploaded, so for example, you save an image from here, you save this main product image, you save it, go to manage images and upload that. And once it gets uploaded, just copy this name, and then put it in the editor. So that will be the image over here. Okay, and then the same thing with the article image. So come down And as you can see, the article headline, and then again the article image. So that's it. After you copy and paste all these things in the landing page, in the editor, click on Save Offer, and you will generate this simple landing page which is ready to get promoted. Okay, and when you come over here to all landing pages, so you will see all your existing landing pages, and the newly created will be at the bottom. So make sure you copy that, and this is the link that we are going to use. So copy that, make sure you copy that, and head over to Google Ads or Microsoft Bing Ads in order for you to promote this product. Okay, now let's start checking what keywords we can use in order to promote this slim crystal product. So as you can see here in Microsoft Bing Ads, crystal infused glass water bottle. Okay, so it's very relevant to the product that we are going to promote. How I came up with this is by the help of this website called Keyword 2 Free. So it suggested me that keyword, so I just went to Keyword Planner, and here, crystal infused bottle. Just type that and click on Discover Keywords, and it will suggest you all these keywords which you can use, okay, to promote the product, right? Okay, so all these keywords you can use. So here, crystal infused water bottle, so you can get all the information from here. You can use all these keywords, so just grab a notepad and copy all these keywords. And what you can do here is when you type in this keyword here in Microsoft Bing Ads, you will get the information how much search volume we can have per month. Okay, now just to show you guys how much we can get, so what you can do here is pick every keyword that you think that selling keyword, so you do your assignment. So once you have this main keyword, these suggested keywords, so you tick them. Okay, and then what we do here, I'll show you. So for example, I'll click everything for now, and then click this add selected to estimates. And as you can see, you've got potential of 17,000 visitor if you promote these keywords. Okay, this product. So out of those 17,000, obviously you can make a good number of sales. But of course, in realistic, you won't be getting this 17,000. It's just based on how much you are willing to pay. So for example, your budget is $50 per day, and each visitor you are willing to pay 0.20. Okay, 20 cents per click. Since this product is pretty well, so as you can see, we can get 103. So we can always have a good amount of cost per click here. And if we get the estimates, so as you can see, just by paying 20 cents a click and $50 budget, you can get up to 280 visitors. So it's pretty decent number of visitors for this budget. And you know, out of this 280, you can make a good sales. Well, it's your we cannot guarantee that you would be making sales, so it always depends on how you create your campaign and how you set up your landing page. That's why I'm just giving you this tool for you to start affiliate marketing and these ideas, okay, on how you can get started. Okay, so I'm not guaranteeing you that you can make some sales, so I'm just showing you some stats and some tools you can use to start your affiliate marketing business. So it's up to you whether you want to go ahead or not, or do another approach. So but this is my approach on how I make sales online, so I'm just sharing it with you, but it's not a guarantee that you can make a sale. But out of this number, there's a pretty good chance that you can make some good money. Okay, so let's do the math. For example, these 280 visitors, let's say 2 of them bought the product. Okay, so you spend around $50 or $100, and out of those $100 you make 3 sales, and then of course you will get 300, almost $300. So the main idea is you get profit of whatever you spend on advertisements. So that's the main thing. Okay, so if you want to know about how to create a landing page, so if it's the first time you're watching the channel, so just make sure you check out my other videos. So I have there some tutorials on how you can get started creating landing page here in the pagepro.com. It's pretty simple, less than 5 minutes you can make a landing page like this, and it's free, totally free. Okay, and always use this keyword 2 free, so it will give you some insights of the keywords. For example, this crystal infused battle, so get keyword idea, so you can always get the insight of these keywords. So almost 70 search volume per month. So this 70 volume is just your starting point, so it may be 100 or 150. As long as there is search volume here, that means people are actually searching for this product. Okay, so come to this keyword tool free. Again, it's a free tool for you to do your research, not only for Bing ads, but if you are doing some SEO, you can go to keyword planner here and get ideas on your keyword. Okay, so it's totally free. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.